Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to demystify the world of maintenance metrics and key performance indicators. We'll take a deep dive into why we need to measure the right things and how these measurements can directly impact your business's success. We'll explore key metrics like overall equipment effectiveness, mean time between failures, and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why these key performance indicators are essential and how to implement them in your operations. So, let's get started. You've probably heard the old saying in business that you can't improve what you don't measure. But in the fast-paced world of maintenance and manufacturing, it's not just about measuring, it's about measuring the right things. For years, many have been tracking metrics like the number of work orders completed, which actually has very little impact on asset health and business success. Instead, we should be focusing on key performance indicators, or key performance indicators, that directly connect to our business goals and objectives. Metrics that help us reduce downtime, increase productivity, and decrease equipment failure rates. By focusing on these key performance indicators, we can transform the perception of maintenance from being just a cost center to a valued partner in revenue generation within our organizations. So let's delve into some of these key metrics that can provide invaluable insights into the health of assets, the effectiveness of maintenance strategies, and the overall performance of maintenance teams. First up, we have overall equipment effectiveness. This comprehensive metric assesses the efficiency of equipment utilization by looking at availability, performance, and quality of an asset over a set period of time. By measuring overall equipment effectiveness, manufacturers can identify areas for improvement, such as reducing downtime, increasing production rates, and enhancing product quality. A perfect overall equipment effectiveness score implies that a piece of equipment or production line is manufacturing only high-quality parts as fast as possible without stopping. The formula to determine overall equipment effectiveness is quite straightforward. Overall equipment effectiveness equals availability times performance times quality. Next, let's talk about mean time between failures. This is the average time a piece of equipment operates before experiencing a failure or system breakdown. Understanding mean time between failures is critical to ensuring the performance, safety, and equipment design of critical assets. The formula to determine mean time between failures is assets' total operational hours divided by assets' total number of failures. Closely related to mean time between failures is mean time to repair. This measures the average time it takes to restore broken equipment to operational status. The longer it takes to repair an asset, the higher the downtime and related costs. The formula to calculate mean time to repair is maintenance time divided by number of repairs. Another important metric is planned maintenance percentage. This measures how much of a company's maintenance activities are planned in advance. By tracking planned maintenance percentage, manufacturers can identify additional opportunities to reduce reactive maintenance, measure the effectiveness of training and tools, and decrease expensive, unplanned downtime. The formula to calculate planned maintenance percentage is planned maintenance hours divided by total maintenance hours times 100. Asset utilization is another key metric. This measures the extent to which equipment is used for productive purposes. The formula to calculate asset utilization is 8,760 hours minus the number of hours an asset is not in use. Last but not least, we have preventive maintenance compliance. This measures the percentage of scheduled preventive work orders that are completed within a predetermined time. The formula to calculate preventive maintenance compliance is total number of completed preventive maintenance divided by total number of scheduled preventive maintenance times 100. By focusing on the right key performance indicators that are more closely tied to business objectives, maintenance teams can better illustrate how their work is tied to revenue, profit, and overall growth. These maintenance metrics can help your organization focus on decreasing downtime, boosting productivity, and minimizing asset failure rates, all of which have a direct impact on the bottom line. So let's start measuring the right things and drive our businesses towards success. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered key metrics like overall equipment effectiveness, mean time between failures, and many more. Remember, focusing on the right key performance indicators can help transform maintenance from a cost center to a valued partner in your organization. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com.